What?
The ass is getting them with taters.
Hey, wash them off.
That's what we'll do.
Alright, folks. This is Amateur Artist Mark D. Channel once again from ManLand. And I got Bones out here at the ManLand wee corner here. And that right there is another prime example. See if I can get it in the camera there. Yeah. Of Bonesology technology. This right here I'm calling the permanent hobo stove. Which is going to make a nice addition if it works. And it seems to be working pretty daggum good right now. Out there at the JunkYard BushCraft at ManLand. Yeah. Let me get that fire stoked back up. And I'll show you what I got going on. Ooh, got enough wood to get it going right now. I have to stoke it up a little bit, but it's daggone windy out here. I mean, that ain't blowing away because I got it weighted down. But wait,
Hey, where's the chair?
The chair fell over. Put the tarp up to reduce the wind. Yeah, I'm right.
Hey man, that's that pop.
Yeah, man. Bone got some taters he's gonna set on there.
Mashed taters we're gonna
There you go.
throw in there. Cold water. It's cold water.
See how long this takes to start to boil a little bit. That right there worked pretty good as a hobo stove. Right now it's got a smell to it because it ain't been burnt out yet. Don't know what that pipe is. Bone found it somewhere.
It's some of that throwaway stuff.
It smells like it's got a coat of tar or something on it.
Uh-oh. We ain't getting over the top.
That'd be alright.
We gotta be able to grab it. Ain't gonna melt that in.
Not if you turn it into the wind.
It's gonna blow up like a pressure cooker.
It might. Boom. Yeah, little hobo stove's getting it on.
Hey, when it gets hot enough, it'll start coming out. It'll die that fire down a little bit.
Oh yeah. We got tater action now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
We got a boil over action.
Ain't hot.
That hobo stove there kicking it.
Gasifier.
The hobo stove nuclear reactor.
Instant heat. And don't cost no money.
Yeah.
For fuel.
Just a little free pallets there that you chop up. A few more processed. Oh, won't do it again. Gotta take it off. On the way to regulate the heat. Yeah. Oh yeah, these taters are done. Man, look how they break apart. That did not take very long. Not very long at all, especially with that high heat.
They was already soft. They wasn't hard.
Oh, well, these right here are definitely done. I'll let the Bones man check them out.
Is that all the water?
Yeah. Most of it boiled out.
You can put that back on.
Yeah.
Hey, help keep them warm. I'll get ready to make them up. Now we throw it back in the microwave.
Yeah. You can always use your Bosch to remove the lid. I think y'all seen that. Oh, that cook pot right there? Yeah, that's an MSR top for the MSR cook pot. It just happens to fit right there. Pot.
It was silver.
It was. Now it's black, just like it's supposed to be. Yeah, brought my Stanley out here. That's about 20 ounces? About 20 ounces of water in there. Got a little bit of wood here left. I should have put it this way. Dadgummit. Alright. And it happens to fit on that particular eye right there. That right there is a recycled stove eye. That's part of JunkYard. Whatever that pipe is, and a couple of bricks out here. I didn't pay for none of it. So far this thing is working like a dream. Go ahead and set it up. That's what the Stanley's all about. That there recycled stove burner top was almost, and technically is, like it was just made for this here apparatus. That is something else. It's not going to slide off. It might shift a little bit, but it ain't going to slide off. And right now that Stanley is catching heck, man. putting the Stanley through a torture test. So until next time, folks, this is amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from ManLand, wishing you and y'all a very happy YouTube experience out there. And remember, JunkYard BushCraft. Hey, the junk you find around the house can help you in a survival situation. This is going to make a nice addition out there to JunkYard BushCraft site number 2, 3. Yeah.